If you're on the hunt for a budget-friendly smartphone that doesn't compromise on features, here are 5 of the best options under $500, presented in countdown order. Number 5. Motorola Razr 40, the best Android folding phone under $500. The Motorola Razr redefines the budget smartphone with its foldable design and modern features. It boasts a 6.9-inch foldable 144Hz AMOLED display, Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 processor, and 8 GB of RAM. The dual-camera setup includes a 64-megapixel main sensor and a 13-megapixel ultra-wide lens, offering versatility in photography. The 4,200 mAh battery supports fast charging, ensuring you stay powered on the go. Number 4. OnePlus Nord 12R, the best Android phone under $500. The OnePlus Nord 12R combines sleek design with solid performance thanks to its Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, 8 to 16 GB of RAM, and 128 GB of storage. It features a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth visuals. The camera system includes a 50-megapixel main sensor, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 2-megapixel macro lens, providing versatile photography options. The 5,500 mAh battery supports Warp Charge 100 watts, ensuring fast and efficient charging. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy A53 5G, the best smartphone under $500 for extended battery life. Samsung's Galaxy A53 5G impresses with its 6.5-inch 120Hz Super AMOLED display, offering smooth scrolling and vibrant colors. The Exynos 1280 chipset, paired with 6 GB of RAM, ensures responsive performance. The camera setup includes a 64MP main sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, a 5MP macro lens, and a 5MP depth sensor. With a 5,000 mAh battery and 25W fast charging, it provides excellent battery life and quick recharges. Number 2. Apple iPhone SE 2022. Best Apple iPhone under $500. The iPhone SE 2022 packs Apple's powerful A15 Bionic chip into a compact 4.7-inch design. It offers excellent performance and longevity with up to 5 years of software updates. The single 12MP rear camera supports features like Smart HDR4, photographic styles, and 4K video recording. Its battery, though smaller, is optimized for efficiency, providing all-day usage with moderate use. Number 1. Google Pixel 8a, best smartphone under $500 overall. The Google Pixel 8a tops the list with its outstanding camera quality and clean Android experience. Powered by the Google Tensor G3 chip, it offers smooth performance and advanced AI features. The 6.1-inch OLED 120Hz display provides vibrant colors and deep blacks. The camera setup includes a 64MP main sensor and a 13MP ultra-wide lens, known for delivering exceptional photo quality in various lighting conditions. Additionally, the Pixel 8a promises 3 years of software updates and a 4,492 mAh battery with fast charging capabilities. These smartphones prove that you don't need to spend a fortune to get a high-quality device. Whether you prefer Android or iOS, there's a great option under $500 to suit your needs. From advanced camera systems to powerful processors and long battery life, these devices offer excellent value for their price. They also provide a range of features, from foldable designs to fast charging and high refresh rate displays, ensuring you get the best experience without breaking the bank. Investing in one of these budget smartphones means enjoying top-tier technology and performance while keeping your budget in check.